In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. The biggest mistake a small business can make is to think like a small business. Setting goal is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Don't give up. The beginning is always the hardest. Small opportunities are often beginning of great achievements. A winner never stops trying. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Plan for what it is difficult while it is easy. Do what is great while it is small. The well-satisfied customer will bring the repeat sale that counts. If you don't understand the details of your business, you are going to fail. The heart and soul of a company is creativity and innovation. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Courteous treatment will make a customer a walking advertisement. Know what your customer wants most and what your company does best. Focus on where those two meet. The goal as a company is to have customer service that is not just the best but legendary. Get closer than ever to your customers. So close that you tell them what they need well before they realize it themselves. The best customer service is if the customer doesn't need to call you, doesn't need to talk to you. It just works. Every company's greatest assets are its customers, because without customers, there is no company. Every contact we have with a customer influences whether or not they'll come back. We have to be great every time or we'll lose them. Customers may forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much.
In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Always give your best effort even when the odds are against you. If you are not taking care of your customer, your competitor will. When you serve the customer better, they always return on your investment. One way to keep momentum going is to have constantly greater goals. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Never ever give up. Constant effort is the key to success. Your customer doesn't care how much you know until they know how much you care. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure. What you do today can improve all your tomorrows. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. The secret of business is to know something that nobody else knows. Action is the foundational key to all success. Never give up. Great things take time. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Opportunities don't happen. You create them.